how to read Instagram messages for the beginning. So for that, you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. So very first step is that you have to make sure the Instagram is available on your device. If not, then you have to navigate to your Apple Store and search for the Instagram here. On your Apple Store, you have to just go and get your Instagram. After that, if you have the Instagram already on your device, you have to also check for the latest version. After tapping on the open option here, you have to log in into your Instagram account. And here you have to go to your direct message, which is on the top right corner of the screen. So tap on the paper plane icon or the messenger icon, which is on the top right corner of the screen. And here on the conversation, so you have to look for the one of the messages that you want to read. And you have to just tap on the messages and you can just go and read the messages like here. You may have to scroll for the conversation where the conversation is long. So you can see that here. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.